Imagine an AI coworker that actually uses your computer exactly like you do, clicking, typing, and finishing your tasks 24/7, even when you're completely offline. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are looking at Simular, a platform that calls itself the Autonomous Computer Company. In this quick guide, we're going to show you how Simular and its flagship AI agent, named Sai, are changing the way we automate digital work. So, what exactly is Simular? Instead of just answering questions in a chat box, Simular's AI agent Sai acts as an always-on digital coworker. It operates inside a private, cloud-based virtual desktop. This means it can open browsers, write code, run terminals, and interact with user interfaces just like a human would. You can set it up to handle repetitive tasks like tailoring resumes, auto-commenting on LinkedIn, formatting Word documents, or managing your Gmail and social media accounts, and then just let it run in the background. What makes Simular stand out are its industry-leading capabilities. It currently holds top spots on major benchmarks, boasting a superhuman 72.6% success rate on the OS World Computer Use Test and over 90% on Web Voyager. To keep things safe, Simular is built with strict guardrails. It's designed to always double-check with you before executing any critical actions, so you don't have to worry about unwanted surprises. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, Sai runs in an isolated, secure cloud environment, meaning it won't clutter your physical device, and its research-backed performance is incredibly high. However, because this is highly advanced, cutting-edge technology, widespread public user reviews are still very limited. Another thing to keep in mind is that access is currently restricted. You will need an invite code to try Sai right now. Overall, Simular is a massive leap forward for anyone looking to break free from tedious screen time and delegate complex workflows to an intelligent agent. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to simular.ai to request your invite code. What tasks would you delegate to an AI coworker first? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.